The Neon Sign Park is located in Casa Grande, Arizona. The outdoor museum features 14 signs that have been salvaged and restored from historical sites in and around Casa Grande. The signs are lit every night from dusk until 11 p.m. and is free of charge. It takes about 5 minutes to walk through, and this neat little spot will make you feel like you're traveling back in time. Once you are done, you can go for a walk around Main Street, a few minutes walk downtown, and you can come back and see the lights glow after dark.